Alases.
The baddest bitch from NST, that's empiricist. Bitches be jealous when I win, gives me so much bliss. They can't compare, that's why they mad, I'm who they wanna be. Stalking me, hating me, come to me and face me. I see you killing, it's what you maybe.
Finally stepping out of my comfort zone and doing my weekly vlogs, darling. I'm having manlawo, the 8 with digestion and mina ngimuntu onesisolo siqinile so ngifuna khona kusuda. We are at the garage. Ngifuna i-tissue nelibisi. Ngiyacala vlogger so to public space. Kunalalo. Baby soft ngifuna shem buke duranjani apha segarage la ngeke shem. Bathi kude libisi cabanga ngize sengibuka amaphayila sengiyawanabela. Koko. Aw mhlolo mara ngifuna leya ye chicken and mayo lesele yodvana. Hopefully it tastes good. Angifuni idlange imali yami. And angathi kuthi indaba ngacela plastic cabanga bonke mbeka buhlungu njani but angathi kuthi ngidothi fun fact kume njani but mina bengakaplan chem kudla ipie bengisinangibuya ngidwe namacanza nesinkwa ngifaka itomato sauce ne cheese ngidli. Then ke ngokuqala kwami ngabona ipie lapha egarage ngathi while ngidla le pie I'm gonna watch this series ngithole on YouTube yabantu abatrans kulawo oyithuma videos ongabukelile nyalo sisho angibukelele.
They them pronouns, gender identity, trans, transgender,
Lento lengiyipheka la I think sengiyipheka kwesi2 because ngiyayithanda ngiyayithanda uthinte fish kakhulu and ngilipheka kamnandi ke. Final product lala. This is my dinner. Ngifuna ku-add ama-chili flakes cause ngiyakuthanda kudla lokubabako. Bengithi ngiyasikolweni shem manje imvuliyana nani nayibona. Angeke ngikhone shem. Awu ngala ngithi ngifuna kama le week yami ngaleli kama lelincane likama lavele laphuka. Yiyo wena shem day ruined angisayi bolala angisayi esikoleni angisayi sengiyalova day ruined. Southgate Mall and like ngifuna something yokugcoka nakhona lento lengiyifunelako ngiya ku this event on Saturday so I need to find something to wear and la Mr. Price and angitholi lutho sana ngithathole lo kuphela and I don't know sana ngize sengituka ile madvots but I think khona le ngikutholile ngala madvots yini. Mr. Price, I couldn't find what I was looking for. Ngagcina ngaya ku 3 different stores. Ngiye at the Fix Identity nase Exit. At the Fix nakhona athi mahla khona bethi ngangichaza. Ngifuna nje kucamba manga. Identity yobe kudura shem cabanga shirts linge 48 yo sana ngikasikhoni. Ngi-student mine. So ngagcina ngaya e-Exit. Mr. Price nje lokungichazile ngile cap lena ama shades lawa. Bese e-Exit ngathola this shirts. Angathi ukuthi shame ngolstyle kanjani le shirt lel guys I have no idea but ngitofika risha shame out ngigirl ngintombazane. Yeah cause lapha ngithi siyabuka kule event lengiyakuyo ngathi nje ugcoka street wear shame and mina ngithanda ugcoka feminine. Yes kona ngiyagcoka street wear but like ngithanda ugcoka feminine yabo modest. Not modest but like yabo yes kona bu street wear ngiyabufaka but kube nebu feminine ekhathi. Yabo nje angathi kushem ngogcoka kanjani shema ngifuna nje ecamba manga nokuthi ngosithala kanjani lokho I don't know sho sekubonakala Saturday ke kuthi ngicwa kanjani but the outfit has to eat sana kumele ngigcoke into yokuthi Nyativa nam. Forgot to show you guys these rings. Naleli bangle, leli bangle kumbe yini. Yeah, nakunguthenga Mr. Price. So these are the things that I got. Namuhla leli shirt leli extra large. It was 230. Then the cap was 100 rand. Lama shades I think were like 70 or 80 rand. Then yeah, sengikhohlwe ukuthi leli bangle nalama rings because malini. But yes, these are the things that I got. I don't know ukuthi ngostyle kanjani Saturday, but yeah, hopefully kutohlangana shem because I have to look good. Sanibonani bo baby, sanibonani bo lala shem. I almost forgot about you guys. Nine namuhla angavlog the entire day because vele bengekho into interesting ngiyendako. But manje I'm almost done preparing for lelanga la Saturday, which is namuhla, and kushaya 2 nyalo. Imagine I still have to sleep. Room lami li mess, kunema under ngalana, and lama under lawa a clean awashiwe ngeje kumele ukuthi awome kahle yabo cause bathe lapha kule brief bafuna sigcoke into letimnyama ngekhathi. So ngithe sana kumele ngiwashe le under yami ase cotton on na trim under se cotton on, but like lemnyama isaseyi-one. So ngiyawathanda ama-under abo shem. Cotton on lala, if kungukuthi you're watching this video ngicane ngisendeleni i-PR ntonton, thank you. Lapha kule brief sesibathi sichamuke neticathulo letihlobile ti-clean so nje yabo tihleli la ngoba nje tihlobile. Isikhwama lesi ngofaka kuso ticathula ngilama under arm lawa ngogcwalele emnyama kusasa nginakuvele cotton on la tool shem because ngicane ebhekijini lalela. So yeah nabo guys shem yadili mess but sengicethile kuyafana. Shuthi-ke seyizobonana kusasa bolala. Ngiyabonakala yeah seyitobonana kusasa bolala shem, thank you. Sanibonani bo baby, sanibonani bo lala. We are here. Oh my gosh, ngihamba nemngane wami Cam Star. I'm so emotional guys. Look at so cute.
I'm never late. You guys are so early. So very cute.
Oh hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nancy.
Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah. We're not late though.
You guys are.
We're not late. I'm being for real. Bolala siku behind the scene nani niyabona guys. Witini lalela witini.
Ooh. The parents in the game, the parents in the block. I think ka.
For real. Oh, that's it. Uh-huh. Yes. Uh-huh. Coming in for the green. Yes. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes.
Go kids!
Yes. Yes.
Bolala Shem nyalungise dressing room. I'm having so much fun bo baby. Manje nje kumele ngikhule imahlale leti ngigcoka ifit yami and anganikhomba ifit yami imagina. Guilty. Yo sana anyway guys mani ngitshintsheni fast. Since ngitshele ukuthi anganikhomba i-outfit yami. This is my outfit. I hope you guys can see. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. I'm having lalela.
Outside, I feel my skin tight. My coat is inside, but I look up at you. I track you playing right for when you're in tonight. Tell me when is the next time I run to you? It sounds insane, right? I'll take the same flight. Wait at your bedside. I land right next to you. I'm going stateside, where I'll see you tonight. Tell me how.
Sanibani bo baby, sanibani bolala Shem yo khani ngifika endlini. Oh my god, I had so much fun. Bekumnandi Shem ngoba e-studio nginema photo shoot. Oh my gosh, I had fun. Bengimodel ye-Great Africa. Wait, that's a big deal. That's a big deal. I was so happy guys. Oh my gosh. Shem, I guess this is the end of my vlog. Yeah, guys, Shem, stay tuned for more.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, boy.
Period. Thank you. Mwah.